In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on one of your videos if it's recent to add it. If it's not recent, select this photo icon on the left. Look for it over here, click on it and choose Add at the top right corner. You can also select photo icon, click on Folders at the top, and look for your video over here by clicking on Videos at the top, selecting one of those apps, or clicking on those two lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your video and tap on Select at the top right corner. You can't add already existing audio file, so to create one and add it, use this microphone at the bottom right corner. Hold it, record your message, and to discard it, slide to the left, and to add it, just let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!